Rare earths are a group of 17 metals essential for electric vehicle motors, wind turbines, smartphones, and even US defense systems. But who controls these critical resources today, and how did we get here? In the 1980s, the United States led the world in rare earth mining thanks to the Mountain Pass mine in California. However, as environmental regulations tightened and prices fell, America allowed its rare earth industry to collapse, leaving a gap in the global supply chain. While the US stepped back, China launched a decades-long strategy to dominate the entire rare earth supply chain. From mining to chemical processing and magnet manufacturing, China invested early and consistently, building unmatched capabilities. Today, China controls about 60 to 70% of rare earth mining, but nearly 90% of global processing and magnet production. This is where the real power lies, as a single policy decision in Beijing can disrupt industries worldwide. The US is now rebuilding Mountain Pass, funding new refineries, and partnering with allies like Australia and Canada. But creating a full mine-to-magnet system will take years. The next era of clean energy and defense depends on rare earths. The race to control them is far from over.